Escape to Mallorca presents an exclusive luxury home which boasts privacy and solitude high in the Costa de Blanes hills of Mallorca. Enter the living and dining area, with a modern adjacent kitchen and dining room leading out to a terrace with amazing views. Leading down to the swimming pool. Featuring several outdoor spaces. Now head inside to the garage and downstairs bathroom and separate cloakroom. And into the first bedroom. Heading upstairs to the master bedroom. Which leads onto another beautiful terrace. And ensuite bathroom. Follow the hallway to the west-facing terrace. And bathroom, and onto a luxury bedroom, and one more bedroom leading onto the terrace. To arrange a viewing, contact the team at Escape to Mallorca on +34 695 420 903.